Okay, it's about 1:20. Just got done doing my mom's routine. I had to do the breakfast dishes real quick by hand. Empty out the dishwasher. Okay, I've been neglecting my own laundry, so today I am going to start and finish my laundry. So that is on my to-do list, as you guys saw. So let's get my laundry started. Hold on. Okay, express, medium. This is definitely going to be a large. I like to do my laundry in cold. I don't know. Certain things I like it in hot, like my mom's laundry and all that, but that's pretty much it. I also need to do some TLC and cleaning my machines, like the washer and dryer. So that will be coming up too. Okay, first load. It's a go. It's a go. Okay, dishwasher is now empty. I just need to dry that real quick, but as that is kind of getting some of the water off before I actually take a towel to it, I am going to attack my Tupperware, you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start taking things up from the bottom of my cupboard where I keep all my storage of plastic containers and so forth, and I'm just going ahead and kind of reorganizing. But this set right here I purchased at IKEA, and I just love this thing. It's great for leftovers and putting like little cheese and onions. It's just great. I really like it. I'm not going to depart with that one. These here I purchased at Dollar Tree. I was thinking about snacks, but I'm not liking them. These ones here I also got at Dollar Tree, but I really like the size. I can definitely keep those for right now. I like to freeze like leftover soup and stews. And the other one, the round one, that one I can definitely get rid of. These are actually a part of some Rubbermaid clearance find that I had found at Walmart. If you guys follow me on my vlogs, oh my god, it was such a great deal. These ones here, my husband loves using those, so I'm going to keep those just for now. That lid I can get rid of. Just try. Oh, and these. I like these. I like the new line. They're nice and slick. And these ones here I got at Dollar Tree, I was thinking about using for a salad, and then they have a little thing for salad dressing, but I haven't used them for a couple of months, and I can use that for a salad dressing. So I'm going to go ahead and donate those. Wow, it looks so much better now. I'm going to go ahead and donate these. Okay, kitchen is now clean. I'm waiting for my first load to be completed so I can put that in the dryer and get that going. I just want to keep this going. So these had caught my eye. I have been holding on to these for the past like 5 summers now, thinking that one day I'll use them. Not. So I got rid of the picture on the 1-box challenge already, and I just need to go ahead and donate these before I change my mind. So I started a bag for donations. Oh good, it's done. Alright. Yay! Okay. Wait for it, wait for it. Oh, come on. Okay. Second load. Some of you were asking about me. Do I hang my clothes or do I fold my clothes? If you fold your clothes, and how do you get them not wrinkled? Well, the stuff that you just saw me fold, those are all folded stuff.
except for my jeans. I don't care if they get wrinkly. I mean, they're not gonna stay folded very long. I just take them upstairs and fold them there. But for my shirts and stuff, I fold them most of the time. If not, I'll just lightly put it on top of my stuff and then carry them upstairs where I can then put them on a hanger. Okay, last load. I have been meaning to clean my dishwasher with the vinegar and baking soda, so let's do it. Okay, guys, I have not ever done this. So I'm a little... what was that? Okay, I don't know, but something just popped out, huh? Ew. I haven't scrubbed this hard in a long time on something, but I just kept using the Dawn onto my scrub brush there, and I just kept scrubbing and scrubbing, and then I rinsed and then I re-scrubbed. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that this filter here was completely clean. Yes. And I had such hot water too. My hands were just burning by the time I was done, but I just wanted to make sure everything was clean. Yowza. Okay, now that everything is shiny and looking pretty and clean, I'm just going to place a filter back here, make sure the arrows are aligned, and now I'm going to add 1 cup of baking soda and then place that all on the bottom of my dishwasher, and then 1 cup of vinegar, and then I'm going to put my settings to the hottest setting and then run it. It's already 5 o'clock. Like, the day just flew by. I decided to clean my dishwasher. That's something that has been on my mind, and I've been really thinking about that. Okay, guys, I am folding up my second load of laundry. Okay, last load. So obviously I don't want to put these in the dryer, so I am just going to hang these up.
these ones. Look. It's like something got in my dryer. Curious how this turned out, really. Gotta empty up my cup of water there. Looks good. Looks shiny. Yeah, that looks nice. I like that. Hey, I gotta do this more often. Well, that's a wrap for my routine for the 22nd on Thursday. I think got a lot done. Please check out the playlist down below. Give everybody a thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.